Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a laundry room makeover. I have a tiny little laundry room here, and as you can see, it's just stacked up with all kinds of stuff, looking like an absolute hot mess. So I'm excited to get it transformed and make it much more appealing and turn it into more of a farmhouse style. So I hope you guys enjoy while I bring you along.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
And here with the never-ending laundry, I'm just hanging up a few shirts that I don't put in the dryer, and then I'll pull the washer out and get it cleaned behind there.
Can make me
Okay, and here is the next day. My husband and I cut and put this wood together just from extra wood that we had laying around the house from all the mini projects that we do. And we sanded it, and now I'm just wiping it off and making sure it's dust free because I am about to stain it. And here's the stain I'm using. It's in the color Briar Smoke by Varathane. I absolutely love this stain. It's my favorite. I use it on everything in my house.
Change a thing now, there's never trust. Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all.
Okay, so here is the next day. I had to wait for that stain to dry and got busy doing other stuff. So this is now the next day. I'm just finishing up painting. We've already painted most of it. I'm just finishing behind the washer and dryer.
And it's done, the thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible, damn, it's done. The thrill is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, nothing. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shame. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible, damn, it's done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, there ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible, damn, it's done. The thrill is gone. I won't miss this love, no. It's irreversible, damn, it's done. The thrill is gone.
And here I realized while decorating that I needed another shelf. So I'm having my husband hang this shelf here for me that I already sanded and stained. And I went to Hobby Lobby and picked up these wall mounts, brackets. And my husband is putting it up for me. All right, guys, and here it is. This is the before, the absolute hot mess that it was. Just stuff crazy and kind of thrown up. No rhyme or reason. And here is the finished product. I hope that you guys loved the video. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I spent a lot of time in this little laundry room with a family of 5, as most of you can imagine. So I am just loving the way that it's looking now. These baskets here I got from Ross, and they store all my extra cleaning products and rags and all that kind of stuff in there. These laundry letters are from Hobby Lobby, as well as this little sign here on the wall that I thought was just an awesome addition for the laundry room. And the stuff here on the washer that I kept out is stuff that I use mostly every day. Laundry detergent, easy to get to, and then these all-purpose sprays, like some that I grab most frequently. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and are inspired or motivated to revamp a space in your own home. If you have any questions about anything I didn't mention, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back to you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and will consider hitting the like button and subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.